Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can refund skins, gems and emotes in the League of Legends. First of all, we have to open store, so click right here next to your Riot points and the blue essence. Click for the account and go for purchase history. In this place on the left side we can find our refunds credit, so I can make the free refunds right now. I have to scroll down until I find the skin or stuff that I can actually refund, and for example I can do this with the Milio. So click on this button and after that just click to confirm. So we will receive back our blue essence to our account, the full amount, and we will use one of the refund credits. So from the free we will get only 2, and the whole credits are the same for the skins, emotes, gems. So it's not like you can refund free skins, free gems, and for example free chromas. That's how it looks in the League of Legends. That's how you can locate this option and that's how you can use it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.